Now this is the question number 1 of your exercise 7.1, which says write the fraction representing the shaded region. आपको what you have to do is you have to tell the shaded region in this two figure is represented by the word fraction. So this is these two examples are of single things है. ये क्या single object है जिसको we have to tell what part is what fraction is representing the shaded region. So first of all, a single object has to be, for converting into a fraction, it has to be divided into equal parts. Equal parts में divide होना चाहिए. If you see that in this triangle, the bigger one is divided into 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9 ट्राइंगल्स में क्या गया है, इसको स्मॉलर ट्राइंगल्स में क्या गया है बेटा, डिवाइड किया है. इफ यू सी 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9 ट्राइंगल्स इक्वल ट्राइंगल्स क्या होता है, डिवाइडेड होता है. ये सिंगल ट्राइंगल 9 ट्राइंगल्स में क्या है, डिवाइडेड. इन दैट 9 ट्राइंगल्स how many triangles are what shaded, 1 2 3 4 4 triangles are shaded. तो ये जो shaded triangles है इनको हम कैसे फ्रैक्शन में रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे, दैट आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू. इन हाउ मेनी पार्ट्स दिस ट्राइंगल हैज बीन डिवाइडेड. ये ट्राइंगल कितने इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड हो गया, बिगर वन. इट हैज बीन डिवाइडेड इनटू 9 इक्वल स्मॉलर ट्राइंगल्स. सो दैट 9 विल बी ऑन द डिनोमिनेटर. किस में लाई करेगा, डिनोमिनेटर में लाई करेगा. Then we will draw one line, and below that line denominator will be your 9, because this object has been divided into 9 equal parts. And above that there will be numerator, and numerator will be representing the number of shaded triangles. कितने triangles shaded है, 1 2 3 4. So this figure in this figure the shaded part is represented by the fraction 4 upon 9. That means that 4 by 9th part in this figure has been shaded. I hope this question number 8 is clear to you. Now we will move to the 10th part of your question number 1. In this it is quite similar to some insect is given to you, and in that insect this insect has been divided into two equal parts with this line, one on the right side and other on the left side. And this insect has been divided into two equal parts. Total कितने parts में divided है बेटा, two equal parts में. और कितना part क्या है बेटा आपका shaded है, only single part is shaded. So the shaded region will be represented by 1/2. Total कितने parts में divide हो गया बेटा ये insect, two parts में. One is on the right hand side and other is on the left hand side. And this फिगर जो है ये हमें दो इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर. सो द डिनोमिनेटर विल बी रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय नंबर 2, एंड हाउ मेनी पार्ट्स ऑफ दैट टू डिवीजन शेडेड है, ओनली वन पार्ट शेडेड है, तो दिस विल बी रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय वर्ड 1/2 एज अ फ्रैक्शन. सो आई होप यू हैव क्लियर दिस कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. नाउ वी विल मूव टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 ऑफ एक्सरसाइज 7.1. Now this is the question number 2 of your exercise 7.1. The question number 2 says color the part according to the given fraction. You have to color the figure which is given to you, and with this figure fraction is given to you below that. You have to color the figure according to the given fraction. So fraction is given to you, you have to color the figure. If you see in the fraction, it is 3/4. In the denominator there is 4. This means that the figure has to be divided into 4 equal parts. So 4 equal parts में divided है या नहीं, that we have to see. 1 2 3 4 4 parts are there. In that 4 parts how many we have to color? We have to color 3. So यहाँ पे हमें 3 parts को क्या करना है, किसी भी 3 parts को in this figure you have to color it. You can use color pen also to color. So since I am only having this black color, so I will be using only black. You can make you can make use of different colors also. So we have to color the 3 part. Out of 4, 3 part I have to color. So I am coloring it. I'm just writing, I am shading it. Okay, so this one part has been cleared. Then this one, second one, 2 part has been cleared. Now the third one I am coloring this one. So the figure, the colored region is representing how much, 3/4. So I hope how to color you understood. Now come to the 5th part of your question number 2. In this 5th part, a figure is given to you, and below that figure a fraction is written 4/9. So since here the denominator is 9, so this figure has to be divided into 9 equal parts. So if you see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So there are 9 equal parts, out of which we have to color how much, how many, 4. So we can color any 4 boxes to represent what, 4/9. So I am coloring this one. मैंने इसको color कर दिया. I am coloring this one, and this one, and this one. So this colored region is representing what? 4/9. ये जो colored region है इस figure में, which has been divided into 9 equal parts, and I have colored how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts I have colored. So this colored region will be represented by the fraction 4/9. So the remaining part of this question number 1 and 2 you will do by yourself as a homework. You can make use of different color pens for shading the figures. So with this we finish up with the today's class. That's all for today. Have a good day. Thank you. Jai Hind. Don't forget to complete your portfolio and the lab manual file. Soon I will be asking you to send me the photographs. So with this we finish up with the today's class. That's all for today. Have a good day. Thank you. Jai Hind.